Hey ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to be going over how to troubleshoot and repair a bad hard drive. So let's fire the system up and see what the problem is. So here we have the loading screen and we have a boot failure. So we press any key and we're getting nothing. Now this system is a fairly old pre-built system, early 2000s. Now mechanical hard drives do have a shelf life. They will not last forever. Eventually the motors or the plates or the read-write head, something will break down. So this is an extremely common problem for a desktop of this era. So what we're going to do is we're going to shut it down and we're going to remove the old hard drive. So first step, we're going to shut the power supply off and unplug it. Next, we're going to remove the side panel. And access the old hard drive. And there it is. Now, for this repair, we're going to need a couple of tools. We need a screwdriver, and we're going to need a brand new hard drive. Now, this one's already been loaded with Windows 7. So the first thing to remove the old hard drive is to remove the two mounting screws. And we'll be needing these in a second, so just put them off to the side. And then we're also going to unplug our SATA cable for data and our SATA power supply cable. So right now this drive should be free to come out. Here we have our old hard drive. So we're just going to put that off to the side and we're going to replace it with our functional drive, our newer drive. So we're simply going to slot that back into the drive tray. And very carefully line up the mounting holes like such. We can now replace the screws. Which is very difficult to do one-handed. And we can now plug in our SATA power and our SATA data port. Okay, they're now clipped in. Now close up our case again. All right. Now we'll plug our power supply in. Turn it on. And let's see what we get. And here it's starting Windows. Let's see if we have any other drive errors or if it goes straight to the operating system. Well folks, there you have it. We have a fully functional system with a brand new hard drive.